Hello, everyone. Trudy here with Heal Wellness and Therapy, and welcome to Here and Now Meditation. Mindfulness exercises to help you combat chronic stress in order to enhance and improve your mental and your emotional well-being. Well, in today's session, something really cool, a new gadget on the market called the Breathelet, like a bracelet, but it simply allows you to take a moment and have a conscious breath. How many times during the day are we just short stress breathing because we've got so much going on? It's simply in either 15, 40, 60, randomly gives you a vibration to build the positive habit to stop and just take a breath. No phone is needed. No Bluetooth, simply charge it every once in a while, and it will randomly vibrate to allow you to take a moment to be present. A conscious, deep breath. Check it out. Website, look in the description below. In the meantime, before you say goodbye to this video, just stop, sit, or stay still and standing. Take a nice, slow, deep inhale into your nostrils and a nice, slow exhale out through your mouth. One conscious, deep breath. If we kept that positive habit going, our chronic stress would be reduced. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.